Hello, welcome to class today. Today we are going to be talking about the Inuit peoples, generally speaking, and more specifically the Inuit peoples of Alaska, who we typically refer to as the Inupiat, or the Inupiaq people, since Inupiaq is the singular and Inupiat is the plural. And since we're talking about Inuit words right now, Kaimarutin, welcome to class today, and I hope you find this a very enjoyable class. And I always kind of give my spiel, my thoughts on why the group we're talking about each week is so vital to learn about, and I kind of try to argue every week that this is the most important group for you to learn about. So here I am going to do it again. This is the most important group for you to learn about. And partly because the Inupiaq group, or population I should say, here in Alaska is by far and away one of our largest native groups. Also because I think for all of us across the world, really, the Inupiat culture and Inuit cultures more broadly are part of the rich cultural heritage of humanity, especially as kind of giving us an example of what it means to live in one of the most difficult places to live in the world. It's kind of part of the human story of adapting to even the most extreme of places. And so I hope you find this to be a useful module to you. Today we have 3 learning goals. First, we're going to review the Teasing Cousins article that you read, which I thought was pretty good, and discuss Inupiat song duels. Number 2, we're going to discuss some facets of traditional Inuit cultural lifeways. As always, we'll only be able to get to a few. It's, a one module sort of thing. We will not be able to go into any sort of depth like we would want to, but we can cover a few interesting facets of sort of what life was like for Inuit people, both prior to colonialism and for a significant period even since then, and certainly more so in some communities now than others. And then point 3, we're going to talk about a few contemporary topics within Inuit life, including punk throat singing, which I am looking forward to. So that is the intro for today, and I will see you in the next